Here we have a Trane XR12. I believe this is an XB13. Waiting on that mails over here. Yeah, it's an XB13. And a Carrier Gemini. The XR12 is this a heat pump or a straight cool unit? Kind of hard to tell, but it appears to be a straight cool unit. And the model number is 2T. Oh wait, this is a heat pump. The model number is 2TWR2024A1000AB. Serial number is 3204WAR1F. It's made in 2003. The XB13 is made in 2008, and it's a heat pump. The model number is 2TWA30A300AA. Serial number is 8435TK54F. Now the Carrier Gemini. This is a heat pump or street tool. It's got two compressors in there. Here's not sure though. It says Gemini right there. And the model number on this one's 38ARQ012-501-. Serial number is 3306 G30068. So that means this is made in 2006. So yeah, a 2003 Trane XR12, a 2008 Trane XB13, and a 2006 Carrier Gemini unit. All of them are off, over, and out.